Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Possible. Okay, this is another episode of my Gundam vlog. I'm going to visit Angel Trade Tradings to actually to get the Spider-Man from Morstorm. I'm pretty new to that, but I find the kit is very interesting. So I'm going to collect that kit and I'm going to unbox the kit as well. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay, just reached the place looking for I'm looking for this. This is the Morstorm. It's from Morstorm Eastern Model. It's a Marvel's character. Yes, this is the Spider-Man. This is called what? Iron Spider. This is very nice. It's a 1/9 scale. Okay, of course you have to build. It's a model kit. And I just come to realize that this Morstorm Eastern model is actually, you know, coming out with all this Iron Man. Wow, this damage box. Sell cheaper. So they have this Iron Man. This is Mark 50, and this is the Mark 8, 80. Is it 85? This is Mark 85. So this Mark 50 is supposed to go with the Iron Spider. Look at this combined action. It's very nice. This finishing. I'm going to unbox it and show you guys on this kit. Alright, I'm actually going to have this as well. It's from my friend. He helped me to source this also. I mean, like, he actually bought more and he just shared one to me. I didn't realize this Morstorm Eastern model until my friend told me about this, and it's pretty nice though. The finishing is quite nice. If you want to repaint it by yourself, it's also quite cool because of the color separation. The pieces they have is quite detailed. So look at this. This is the MK50. It's pretty big kit, you know. It's quite huge. Just look at this. What's this next to it? This is the Golf. Wow, this is 160 scales, if you guys still remember from Bandai. Look at the size and a mega size. So this is quite huge. And it's come with LED. All of this come with LEDs. With the display stands, basically it's just like kind of like a Hot Toys, but it's a 1/9 scale. Hot Toys is 1/6 scale, so it's not that huge, but it's detailed enough. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm here today, and of course to check out the place. What are the things that I have in this place? And yeah, the boss is actually meeting up with his friend. The Eric Master is here. Eric Master is here. The Gunpla, the model kit builder, very famous. He's taking care of the E-base net. You guys can come and check out his place. And he actually rearranged the display case as well. Look at this. This is the Warhammer thing. Who is this guy? Izutaro. Nice, right? He got all these modelers, you know, displaying his kits here. I think the first episode that I did is he doesn't have this much because it's just open on this new floor. And yep, now he has more display now. This is nice, right? Wow, cool. This is Barbatos. And yeah, I can't recall what this mecha name. Who is this guy? Azro Hazimin. Okay. Wow. Becky Customizer, one of the kits for competition in GBWC Malaysia. Wow, this Godzilla with the Eva. The Iron Man, some of the Iron Man hot toys. Yep. Oh, and on the floor it has what? This is a mechanical core. Ooh. This is new thing, huh? Yeah. This is the Iron Man. This is actually from my friend Vincent and his wife Yvonne. Vincent is the guy who actually got the Iron Man for me. New stock. Armor Specials Carrier. A new stock STW Heroes. I think this is the new one. It's number 11, 13. Quite nice, right? 10, 11, and the Ultraman. This is Ultraman, the Armor of Legend. Cool, right? aka Three Kingdom style. Hi guys, so I'm back at home with this Iron Spider. Actually, I did not film this video at the same day. I got this like 2 weeks ago, and actually today is Christmas. So, yep. And it's still Spider-Man seasons, right? No way home. All right, so let's get into this. So this Iron Spider is actually the Iron Man series, and this is the very first Iron Man kit that I have. All right, I didn't have the fixed figure as well. I just have the Kasha Bond thingy, but I don't really have the Spider-Man actual figure yet, and this is the first one that I got. What really got me into this kit is the details of it, and this kit is actually 1/9 scale. All right, so it's by Morstorm Eastern model. Okay, so very nice packaging. All right, when you open you can see the Avengers logo. Open it up. Okay, leave it here. So that is this gold parts, and it comes with stands as well. Yes, I actually revealed, I know this kit comes with a lot of stuff, and that's the main reason why I got this. Yes, lots of parts, the gold parts, the stand, you know, and yeah, another gold parts. And yeah, and you can see the spider web transparent. And actually in this red, right, it's actually a metallic red. Let me open and show you guys. I'm going to build this. This will be my next kit to build. I'm really excited about this kit. Okay, just show you guys So this is the metallic red. Very nice. This is the metallic red. See that? Okay. Very nice finishing. Okay. So it's only one-sided metallic, and the inner part is actually without the metallic, correct? Doesn't really matter. And yep, you get more parts, transparent parts, and okay, you get this metal part as well. The metal parts. Okay, and I think this is not just metal parts here, and this come with the LED, the headlight, and it mentioned that it's body light. Okay, not sure whether there is body light because it's empty. Okay, and there's a battery. Yeah, it's giving you the battery as well. I think this super glue, screwdriver, and this one is actually for you to turn on the headlight. Okay, and that is this is for the stand. It's a steel stand. All right, some stickers. I believe this is for the stand. Metallic stickers. Instructions. And yep, this is the instruction books. Yep, you can see this part is mentioned. You use these tools to actually turn on and off the headlight, the eye light, so that you do not need to dismantle it. Okay, not going to go through every pages of this. Very nice. So I'm going to build this kit very soon, hopefully starting by tonight maybe. Yep, if you guys, and this is actually this Morstorm Eastern models. They come up with different models as well on Iron Man. They have Iron Man MK50, 85, and I think 3 or 4 of them. So actually I got one, which is the Iron Man, Mark 80, 85. It's with my friend's place. I haven't got the chance to meet him yet to take it over. So I believe this Morstorm Eastern models, they are doing this more towards on the this metallic coatings kit, more on, because I believe those the figures with this kind of armor then is actually make more sense to be a model kit. Okay, so it looks way much better. Okay, I think this. Any one of you got this? This is one of the hot cake now, and yep, a lot of I believe a lot of you are. If you guys are not aware of this kit, that's the reason why I share with everyone here that there is this new brand, Morstorm Eastern Models, that's coming out with this, very nice model kits for those who like to build kit. I like to build things instead of like buying the whole figure back without doing anything with it. So yep, found this out when they launched this Iron Spider. All right, and it's definitely from China. Okay, but yep, but let's see how it goes. And this costs like ringgit Malaysia, like 300 ringgit Malaysia. That's equivalent to what, like $80 USD.
So I think it's pretty reasonable because it's come with the stands and it's metallic coating, and it comes with the LED lights, with the tools, the magnetic tools, everything as well. So basically it's complete set and you do not really need to do much with it. If the coating, the glossy coating is not glossy enough, maybe you can just do some, you know, top coat on it. Okay guys, I think that's about it. I want to share with you guys about this kit that I newly got. Not Gundam, but it's Spider-Man, Spider-Iron. Okay, hope this poison you guys enough. Now, remember, subscribe to my channel, like and share. Anything, just share with me under the videos below, comment at my videos below. So I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao guys. Not bad, not bad.